If your business is not successfully capturing leads and customers through the internet, this might be the most important video you can watch right now. It doesn't matter if your business is local or even if you sell anything online. If you don't understand how to take advantage of internet influence engines, then many of your prospects and customers will not find you. They will not hear about you, and they will not buy from you. You literally cannot afford to ignore the internet any longer. 97% of all consumers now use the internet when researching products or services in their local area. The new word of mouth is online social media like Yelp, Facebook, and Twitter, which have more than 750 million members combined, including people who could become fans of companies like yours and recommend your products and services to their friends and followers. So let's ask a few questions about your business. Is your company, product, or service easy to find online? Are you active in all the online places where your target customers hang out? In other words, can they connect with you on their turf? No? Then the biggest question is, why not? Marketing online isn't an option anymore. It's a requirement. Your prospects and customers are searching on Google, Yelp, Facebook, YouTube, and all sorts of influence engines you probably haven't heard of. They are looking for companies like yours, companies they can trust. And while you're busy with your day-to-day business operations, your competitors are getting marketing help to leverage these channels and connect with your customers. But look, it's not your fault. The internet changes constantly. It's a moving target for most business owners. But that doesn't change the facts. You've got to do something today before you lose even more ground to your competitors. So what if there was a way to get your business in the most important influence engines right now, so you move ahead of your competitors when customers search? And what if you were in all the online places your customers hang out? Not just a few, but all of them. We have your answer. Our Insider Marketing Secrets video can do all that and more. And all we need is a few minutes. Just enter your main email address in the form, click the button, and we'll give you instant access to our short video that explains it all. Exactly what are the influence engines, how your business scores online, even compared to the competition, and the top 5 action steps you can take right now to boost your score and start winning online. We'll also email a report that includes those details and a coupon for a free online marketing strategy session. There's absolutely no obligation whatsoever. Just enter your main email and we'll take it from there. You'll be glad you did.